Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The sunlight peeks through my window, and it's time to start my day. I have a routine that helps me get ready for the day ahead. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and legs in bed. It feels good to wake up and stretch. It makes me feel awake and ready for the day. Then, I slowly get out of bed and put on my slippers to keep my feet warm. Next, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste to clean my teeth. I make sure to brush all my teeth, the top ones and the bottom ones, to keep them healthy and strong. After brushing my teeth, I splash some water on my face to wake myself up. After freshening up, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. Breakfast is important. It gives me energy for the day. I usually have cereal with milk or toast with jam. Sometimes, I have a glass of juice or milk to drink. I make sure to eat slowly and enjoy my breakfast. Once I finish eating, I gather my school things. I pack my bag with my books, notebooks, and pencil case. I also make sure I have my homework and any other important papers I need for the day. It's important to be organized for school. After getting everything ready, I check the time. If there's still some time left before I need to leave for school, I might read a book or listen to some music. It helps me relax and get into a good mood for the day. When it's time to go, I put on my school uniform or clothes for the day. I make sure everything looks neat and tidy. Then, I grab my bag, put on my shoes, and head out the door. I walk to school or sometimes take the bus if it's too far. Along the way, I enjoy the fresh morning air. I say hello to my neighbors if I see them and enjoy the sights and sounds of the morning. Once I reach school, I say good morning to my friends and teachers. I'm ready for a new day of learning and having fun with my friends. And that's my morning routine. It helps me start my day feeling fresh, happy, and ready to take on whatever comes my way.